Greetings, welcome to this edition of Pan African Digest. Unfortunately, today is not a very nice day. So, we've had some few heavy rains the past few days, and the old neighborhood is devastated. There's a flood everywhere. Let's try to walk through what we are going through in our part of Kaswa. The unfortunate thing is that these things happen every year. Nobody, no authority, no one seems to be in charge. As we keep on saying in Africa, we really have no leaders. We're just left to our own devices. Of course, every year the assembly comes to ask for tenement rate. They collect the money, and they have the authority to charge you to court if you refuse to pay. But then you have to ask, what do they do with the money? So people gather themselves in offices, collecting money from citizens, and they use them only to pay themselves salaries. Just look at where human beings are forced to live in this age. So I don't even know how these people are going to get to their houses now. God. Hmm? Oh my goodness. These are where human beings are staying, are living in 2026 with no authority, nobody to try to help them. Oh. Got to be careful here. Oh. This is where people are staying, where human beings are living. Well, we have president, we have ministers, we have parliamentarians, we have municipal assembly, everybody receiving salary, everybody making speeches. Oh. So, I really don't know how human beings supposed to survive this. Mm-mm. I'm not even seeing anybody. Yes. Oh, wow. This is more than terrible. One has to be careful, very careful. So, I'm trying to find my way to see. Oh my goodness. This is more than terrible. Oh. Okay. Got the food on. Yeah. Got it to the other side. Wow. This is where human beings live. Hmm? Oh. No, the whole place is a disaster. You should be careful here. Oh. No, there's no way to pass. Hmm? Wow. And of course, nobody will come and give them support, no support, no nothing. I don't think I can go further than this. Oh. Let's see. Oh. No, this is more than terrible. Oh. So, all right. I guess that is it for today. Terrible. The late fella made a song about our sovereign and smiling Africa. Nobody's in charge. Hmm? Okay. Sorry, guys. Bye.
Minority for a co-affiliate hospital. Any hospitals are describing as a facility more abandoned for money, especially in a ferry hospital, any Asuka for a bit of fracas, a more legit process, a Mumuna, Mode Asuka for about the stands of the MC or